Henry. Sexy. Yeah, you did it, didn't you? Sexy. Oh, yeah. Sexy. Sexy. Yeah. Flutter that left. Yeah, yeah. Wink, wink. Yeah. Come here, Henry. Henry. You gotta face over here. Sexy. Yeah. Sexy. 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 Henry, sexy. Henry, sexy. Sexy, Henry, sexy. Yeah. Did you see that wink? That is the cutest I've ever seen.
Dude, Henry said something to us just now.
He said something in a sentence. I was like, what the heck was that?
We're like, did you just say something?
He said, that's why I'm nom.
He said that's something.
Yeah, that's nom.
No, we both swear because we both heard it.
We looked at each other. We're like, what did he just say? It was so crazy.
He said that's right.
That's right, Henry. Sexy. 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 Yeah.
That was very sexy.
That was sexy, Henry. Wink, wink, wink.
Is Madison going to sleep? Yeah, probably.
There he goes again.
I need to skip the Nicole.
Oh, that's so cute.